Good morning students, welcome to Nilagiri Degree and PG College video classes. Okay, so the first semester was what? The first semester is what? The topic, the title name is Differential and Integral Calculus. Differential and Integral Calculus is the first sem. And the second sem is, the topic name is, the title name is Differential Equations. The title name is Differential Equations. Okay, differential equations only, and that differential and integral calculus is there in the first sem. Differential and integral calculus, first differentiations and then the last unit is integrations. First we apply differentiations, what is what, and integrations, and then what is what, we apply in those terms only. So this is the topics in first sem, differential and integral calculus. But here the differential equations means, you know that the equations, what is the equation formations? Equation formations are in this 12x plus 4y plus equals to 5. So this is the equations formation. This topic is modeled as the equation formation. So differential equation, in the differential equations totally methods are there, totally methods. So method 1, method 2, method 3, method 4. So those process we learning in differential equations, differential equations and differential calculus. First you learn the formulas, differential formulas and differential formulas and differential equations. In the differential equations, first topic is unit 1. In the differential equations of first order and first degree. Differential equations first order and first degree. What is first order and first degree? First order means, first degree means, we learn first of all. So dy by dx is a some differential equation, some differentiation term, So this is only order is there, degree is there. So degree is order, and ఇది ఎన్నో order, first order or second order. And first order means dy by dx, second order means d square y by dx square. This is the second order differential equations. And the third order means d cube y by dx cube terms are there, and this is the third order differential equation. First order is dy by dx, second order is d square y by dx square, third order is d cube y by dx cube. So this is the differential equations first order only. And also first degree is there. First, what is order? Order means, you know that the first order and second order is the simple way. So degree means which is the highest order power. For example, dy by dx is there, this is the first order. And then d square y by dx square, this is nothing but a second order. Only these two terms are there. In these two terms, highest order is nothing but a second order is the highest. This is the first order, this is the second order. Second order term is the highest order in that power means highest order term lo పవర్ లో ఏదైతే ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంటుందో దట్ ఈస్ నోన్ యాజ్ ఎ డిగ్రీ, అంటే డి స్క్వేర్ వై బై డిఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ హోల్ పవర్ క్యూబ్ ఈస్ దేర్. సమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఓన్లీ, సమ్ దట్ ఈస్ ద 3 is nothing but a degree. So now differential equations of first degree and first order and first degree means, this is the way, first order, second order. So those way, the first unit 1 is differential equations first order, first degree. In that first order, first degree, we introducing some elements are there, some topics are the equations in which variable separable. So variable separable means separate that variables. For example, dx is there, dy is there. Variable separable means x terms are inside in dx side, y terms are in dy side. X terms are in dx side and y terms are in dy side. That is nothing but a variable separable process. For example, in that variable separable process, the condition y in dx, x in dy is not y in dx plus x in dy, that is not in variable separable. So variable separable means x terms are in x side, y terms are in y side. That is the variable separable. This is the first method. This is the first variable separable method. And that second term is homogeneous differential equations. So homogeneous differential equations is nothing variable separable and first order first term, second order second term, that is known as a variable separable. And then homogeneous differential equations is nothing but a homogeneous differential equations are only in upper power and lower power degrees is same is known as a homogeneous differential equations. This is also in homogeneous differential equations. This is also in the మీకు ఆల్రెడీ పార్షియల్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్లో హోమోజీనియస్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ వచ్చింది అండి. పార్షియల్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్లో ఇది ఫస్ట్ సెమ్లో పార్షియల్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్లో హోమోజీనియస్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ వచ్చినాయి. సో సేమ్ వే వి ఫైండ్ ద డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్, సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్. హోమోజీనియస్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఉంటుంది అక్కడ, ఇక్కడ హోమోజీనియస్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. Okay, and then differential equation, this is the second method. This is the variable separable is the first method. Differential equations reducible to homogeneous form. Reducible to homogeneous and already in the homogeneous differential equations reduce chesam, that is nothing but a non-homogeneous differential equations. And the first homogeneous differential equations is there, and the second is nothing but a non-homogeneous differential equations. And the third topic is linear differential equations. So linear differential equations is nothing but a is the formation in linear form. Linear form, how to linear form is that in that problems వెళ్తుంటూ మనకి అర్థమవుతుంటుంది. And reducible, non-linear. Reducible is nothing but already we discussing homogeneous differential equations. Reducible, homogeneous, homogeneous, non-homogeneous, linear, non-linear. ఓకే, నాన్ లీనియర్ అయినచ్చు, బయోలీనియర్ అయిన ఉంటుంది మనకి. అండ్ దెన్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. ఎగ్జాక్ట్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఆర్ ఓన్లీ are 5 times are there. Exact differential equations are there, 5 methods are there, not times. It has only 5 methods. Method 1 first exact differential equations, method 2 and method 3, method 4, method 5. So that is an exact differential equations. And then integrating factors, change of total differentiations. So and then form dx by dp, dy by dq, and then dz by or. This is the one of the partial differentiation which is also in that first sem also. In the first sem lo homogeneous functions lo kuda vachesindandi pq or. So that is the first unit 1 is nothing but a differential equations first order first degree. And then unit 2 is nothing but a differential equations first order but not first degree. So first unit 1 lo first order first degree means it has only dy by dx. Only dy by dx is there. Unit 1 is what? Differential equations first order and dy by dx. First degree power is also 1 now. That is known as the first order first degree is known as the differential equations. Unit 1. Unit 2 is not what is the differential equations of first order but not first degree. And it is dy by dx power 2, 3, 4 anything we take, but not first degree. 1 matram kaadu, degree matram 1 kaadani cheptunnaranడి. First 1 kaadu. So but is that is the second unit differential equations first order but not first degree. And then here the topics are equations solvable for p, solvable for phi, solvable for x. So those do not contain x and y. Here also homogeneous x and y, that is the homogeneous functions only here in first unit. The second unit homogeneous functions in x and y, and then Clairaut's equations. This is the applications of first order differential equations. Applications and the extra topics are there. And then third unit is higher order linear differential equations. Higher order linear differential equations is nothing but a higher order linear differential equations. Here the first unit is differential equations first order first degree only. Unit 2 is first order but not first degree. Third unit is higher order linear differential. Higher order means d square y by dx square, d cube y by dx cube, d power 4 by dx power 4. So that is the higher orders. And in that first 2 units only first order but not first degree but first degree. So unit 1 is first degree, unit 2 is but not first degree, but third unit is higher order linear differential equations. Higher order linear differential equations means ఇస్ అన్ పవర్లో మనకి హయ్యర్ ఆర్డర్ లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఆర్డరే హయ్యర్ అంటున్నారంటే అంటే డి స్క్వేర్ వై బై డిఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ డి క్యూబ్ వై బై డిఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ డి స్క్వేర్ వై డి పవర్ 4 బై డిఎక్స్ పవర్ 4 దోస్ వే. Okay, and then in the topics are there in third unit, what is the solutions of the homogeneous equations, linear differential equations and the constant coefficient, non-homogeneous. Here the homogeneous linear differential equations, non-homogeneous linear differential equation is the main important topic in that. These are the four methods are the important. Those four methods are what is the b into e power ax and the conceptually into sin ax cos ax bx v into e power k. These are the most important methods in that third unit. And then method of undetermined coefficients also important topic in that. And that last unit is method of variation of parameters is the separate terms. Separate methods are there in that third in the second sem. Totally methods are there, problematic, totally problematic. Okay, linear differential equations with non-coefficients is the main important topic is Cauchy-Euler's equation, Legendre's linear equations is a long answer topics, important topic. And then variation of parameters also most important topics, Cauchy linear equations, Legendre's. This is the second semester syllabus. So okay, first unit important topics are there, exact differential equations and linear differential equations, linear differential equations and exact differential equation. And the second unit topic important topics is equation solvable for y and x, y x and p also, y x and p also. This is the third unit is the mainly q of x terms, method of undetermined coefficients, and the Cauchy's, Legendre's, variation of parameter. These are the important topics. Okay, we will continue next video.